In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the price range tool on Tradingview. Whether you're new to Tradingview or an experienced trader looking to maximize your technical analysis, the price range tool is a simple yet powerful feature that can help you measure price movements, track volatility, and spot key patterns in the market. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to locate, use, and adjust this tool to enhance your charting experience. And if you're new to Tradingview, you'll find a link in the description to sign up and start using it today. Let's dive right in. To get started, open up Tradingview and navigate to the chart screen. Once you're there, look to the left-hand side of your screen. This is where you'll find the Drawing Tool panel, a vital part of Tradingview that houses all the tools you need for annotations and analysis. Now within this panel, search for an icon that resembles either a ruler or a percentage sign. This is where the measurement tools are stored, including the price range tool. Once you've found it, go ahead and click on the icon to select the tool. Now that you've selected the price range tool, let's go over how to use it effectively. Start by clicking on the highest price point from which you'd like to measure. Hold down the mouse button and drag your cursor straight down to the desired lower price point. As you do this, you'll see the tool automatically measure the price drop for you. It provides not only the raw price difference, but also the percentage change, the number of bars or candles covered in that range, and the time duration between the 2 points. This is incredibly useful for understanding price declines and market behavior over a specific period. If the initial range isn't quite where you want it, don't worry. You can always adjust it later. Alternatively, if you want to measure a price increase, the process works in reverse. Click at the lowest price point you want to measure from, then hold down the mouse button and drag straight up to your desired higher price point. This will give you the same detailed information as before, but for an upward price movement instead. It's a simple and versatile way to analyze both retracements and upward momentum in the market. Once you've set your range, there are a few ways to fine-tune and organize your tool for even better accuracy. You can adjust the range by clicking and dragging either the start or end points of your measurement. This allows you to refine your analysis if your initial placement wasn't quite perfect. Now, if you find that the tool's text box, where all the measurement data is displayed, is making your chart look cluttered or difficult to read, you can move it to a less obstructive area or delete it entirely. Keeping your workspace clean and organized is essential for effective analysis, especially when dealing with complex charts. So why is the price range tool such a valuable feature to incorporate into your analysis routine? It allows you to visualize the exact distance a price has traveled between 2 points, making it easier to spot patterns and compare market movements. For example, you can use it to analyze price retracements during a downtrend, assess upward momentum in a rally, or study historical price changes to better understand market volatility. These insights are crucial for developing a deeper understanding of market behavior and honing your trading strategies. And there you have it, a complete guide to locating, using, and adjusting the price range tool in Tradingview. With this tool, you can quickly and accurately measure price changes, giving you a clear edge in your technical analysis. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.